Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into the Noom account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into Noom on your desktop, go open any web browser. Once you do that, in a URL box, type in accounts.noom.com and press the enter. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to its login page. In order to log into your new account, enter your email in the first text field. After you do that, move on to the next text field where it says password and type in your password for your account. Once you type in your credentials correct, you can easily go and click on the login button. But in case you've forgotten your email or your username, go and click on Forgot Email link for email. And follow the instructions to look for your email address, or you could go and click on Forgot Password link in order to look for your password. Follow the instructions and you'll be able to reset your password to a new one, which will be much easier for you to remember next time you log in. After you're done entering all the credentials, click on the login button and in just a minute you'll be logged into your Noom account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.